Hello all, welcome to day 15's build habit session. Today we are going to build a new habit, and that is mimic native speakers. Mimicking native speakers means what? You have to listen to the speech by some of the native speakers. Who is a native speaker? Who is talking? A person who is talking the local language of a place is called a native speaker, right? So you have to imitate the way native speakers pronounce words and phrases by repeating after them. So once we hear that speech or once we hear them speaking, you have to try imitating them, same like what they tell. You have to imitate. Imitation means that replicating the same thing what the other person or what the other object is doing, right? So you have to do like that, and see whether you are also doing that like that person. And if you want, you can record it as a video and audio and show it to a personal trainer, any corrections needed or not. Oh, okay, so that you can improve your speaking skills. So don't miss this task, do this. Today on day 15, I am going to give you a set of new words again. I'll be giving you 6 new words, and you have to look into the meanings and use it in your daily conversation. And the first word is pursue. Pursue means what? Pursue means to follow or strive for a goal, career, or opportunity. That is, we are doing or we are following a particular thing. That is, if you are a student, you should be studying the whole year or the whole academic year and studying good. You have to study good, then only it makes sense. You can study good and you can reach a good position, or like you can be in a good career or a good place that is related to a profession. So that is pursue. She wants to pursue a degree in engineering. That's a challenging and rewarding field. She wants to pursue. One girl wants to pursue degree, and she wants to do a degree in engineering so that she can reach in good place or in good heights. And the other person who is listening is telling that that's a challenging and rewarding field. That is really a challenging, that has some challenges in it, but you have to overcome all the challenges. And the next example, are you planning to pursue a dream of becoming an artist? One person is asking that, are you really wishing, or are you really planning to pursue? You wish to continue, you wish to what you wish to follow, or you wish to strive for that particular goal and reach as a or become an artist. And the person is replying, yes, I have already started taking classes. The person has already started doing all the steps needed for that. And the next word is turn down. Turn down means to reject an offer or request. Turn down means what? To leave or to reject. Okay, to oppose, all those things. Okay, examples are, I had to turn down the job because it wasn't the right fit. One person is telling, I quit the job because that is not my cup of tea. That's what we will tell. No, we have learned that particular usage. So that is it. That is, I rejected. I what is it, turn down that particular opportunity. And that's understandable. The other person who is listening is telling them, yeah, I can understand. And the next example is, she turned down their invitation to the party. Maybe she had other plans. One girl what decided not to go to the party. Why? The reason, she might be having some other engagement, so she don't like to go, or some other commitments she agreed. Maybe because of that, that is the reason for that girl to turn down the party. Now, the next word for the day is move further. Move further means what? To move ahead, right? To progress or advance in a discussion, task, or in a situation. And the examples are, let's move further with the project after discussing the budget. Sounds like a good plan. One person is telling that, yeah, now all the discussions are over regarding the construction, like it might be construction of a house or a building or something like that, or interior planning or something like that. All about the planning of the design structure, everything is over. Now the person is asking, okay, now let's stop here and we can start discussing about the budget. Okay, then we can move further. That means like we want to discuss about the financial things also, then only we'll be able to move further. That is what the person is intending to tell. Sounds like a good plan. That person is telling that, oh, that's actually good, like we'll see that and we'll move forward. One more example is given. Once we resolve this issue, we can move further with our strategy. Great, I'll start working on the solution. One person is telling that once we make a solution for this particular problem, then we can move forward, then we will be able to work smoothly. Yeah, the other person is telling that yeah, that is a great idea, we can do like that and move further. Now the next word for the day is run out of. Run out of means to have no more of something. That means it is empty. Nothing is there. Everything is finished. Okay. And the examples are I ran out of milk this morning. Let's pick some up later. One person is telling that today I don't have enough milk to give to everyone. He might be a seller of milk. Okay. So he ran out of milk this morning. He was not able to supply to everyone. That is a problem he faced today. And the other person is replying that let's pick up some later. Let's pick some up later. That means we'll look into that later. We'll take more quantity. And the next example, they ran out of tickets for the concert. That's disappointing. Some people went for booking tickets for a concert, but unfortunately the ticket got over. Okay, and that made everyone disappointed. And the next example is cheer up. Cheer up means what? It's a very commonly used word. We usually use it in our daily life also. Make a note. You try using in your speech also. To make someone feel happier. To make someone feel happier, that means to make someone become happy or entertained or peaceful like that. Okay. Examples include cheer up, everything will be fine. If some person is hit with a bad situation and we are going to them and telling, yeah, no problem, be happy, we can get back to normal. That's what cheer up means. And the person is telling, yeah, thank you so much. This support I needed. The support itself is what I needed. And one more example, we brought him a gift to cheer him up after his bad day. One person underwent some bad situation in his life, and as friends or some relatives or supporters, some people went to him by buying a gift for him, so that made him cheer up, that made him so happy. Okay, so that's so thoughtful. The people are telling, people who heard this thing told that you are very thoughtful. And one more word is here, call off. Call off means to cancel something. That is a very useful word also, to cancel something. Examples include they called off the meeting due to bad weather. That's unfortunate. They called off the weather due to they called off the meeting due to bad weather, because it might be a what open meeting, like they might have scheduled it in the open ground or something, so they called off the party because meeting, because the weather is not favorable. And the next one, we had to call off a trip because of an emergency. One trip organized by team was called off because of some emergency. Called off means it was cancelled. And hope everything is okay, like yeah, everything is okay, the trip is already cancelled and nothing to worry, you can involve or engage in that emergency situation. That is the thing. Now, as usual, you have got 6 new words. So, start making sentences using each of these words and record it as audio and also write it in a paper. And you can send both of these to your personal trainer and get it corrected and ask whether there are any mistakes or not and how to improve constructing sentences. All those things you can ask to a personal trainer and get a good guidance from the personal trainer and try writing in a correct form itself. So try doing that with each of these words. You have to construct sentences. Don't miss the stars. This is also very important. Speaking and writing both have equal importance. So do that and send it to your trainer and get it corrected.